The cause of the fire may never be known that killed her 2 kids and her husband. Firefighters say they have yet to find evidence that the home and working smoke detectors, and that's why the fire department and Red Cross workers were back in the neighborhood handing them out, smoke detectors and other information to people in the area.
Our heart goes out to this family. This is an incredible tragedy, and we want to make these tragedies stop, and that's why we're out here with the fire department today.
Investigators say the fire is accidental, and they have narrowed down the list of possible causes to a handful, but it may end up being listed as undetermined.